I'm working on the back of the chair. If I mentioned before, this area of the rear leg where it goes into the upper section of the back, this area is 1 by 1 when it's finished. But I make it heavy, and I make the upper section of the back 1 inch thick, and then I blend this in, and that's what I'm doing right now. And then this was all jigsawed by hand, so I'm blending in the curve and then straightening this out so it lands right on the right on this joint, and everything is flush, and all I'll have to do is finish sand it. So that's my setup for doing that now, and I'm real close. And then I'll take this outside and sand it. There's a slight angle between the face of this upper section and the angle of this. So there's a little crease right in here. This is not straight. That's why I can't pass the plane straight off, because otherwise I'll clip off the top corner of this upper section here. So this all has to be done with a little care. And the same thing with the sanding. I just want to get it close. I did these curves with the spoke shave, so that worked out real well. And another point I want to bring out is that the back edge of this entire part of the frame is only decorative. It's the other face where all the points need to be common, because that's the seat and the legs are built off of the other side of this back. So on this side of it, it just has to be smooth and look good. And there's no, other than that, there's no functional issues with how the chair is put together or anything like that. So this is pretty straightforward. I'm doing this inside because outside it's real hard for me to chase. The wind is going to blow all these shavings around, and then it takes me longer to clean up than it does for me to do the work. So this is my setup for that. I have this hung off the plank a little bit so I can get the square right in here. This all has to be kept square, so the sanding by hand is real easy, and I can move it forward. So this is a small little step, has to be done to all 3 chairs, and then I move on.